Energy Management, Power Monitoring and Management Solutions from ICP DAS USA. ICP DAS USA provides complete solutions for the acquisition of energy data, covering from smart meters, meter data concentrators, and intelligent controllers in the field to cloud-based equipment management software. ICP DAS USA brings the most powerful, cost-effective, advanced smart power meters, PM3000 series, that gives you access to real-time electric usage for single and three-phase power measurement. These compact size and cost-effective power meters are equipped with revolutionary wired clip-on CT. It operates over a wide input voltage range, which allows worldwide compatibility. It also supports Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, or CAN open protocols for easy integration. The PMC and PMD series is the new generation of power meter concentrators for meeting the trend of energy saving and carbon reduction. It provides flexible integration with ICP DAS USA power meters via RS-485 or Ethernet interface, and features various functions such as measure the power consumption of devices, energy usage analysis, power demand management, and alarm notification functions. The PMD is also equipped with LCD with touch panel and provides an easy way for viewing the power data and setting the system parameters at the local site. The PMC and PMD supports FTP protocol. After the power data is stored, the data can be sent to ICP DAS USA PMC data server at scheduled time via FTP, and the data can be converted to MS Access, MS SQL, MySQL database format so that the related personnel could easily perform the analysis and statistics of the power meter power data to achieve more efficient electricity usage. To learn more about our energy management, take a look at our power meter video series or visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.